free. I gotta put the deck on this one. That's for this Husqvarna. I got this for free, along with that cement mixer. It does work. This one, the carb was bad. When I picked it up, the story was the transmission didn't work and the engine didn't run. And they were correct. I had another engine that was blown up that had a good carb on it. It ran on one cylinder, but it had a hole in the other side. So I just switched. It was a 24 horse. I put it on this 23. Perfect. Fired right up. No problems. This only has like 152 hours on it. Husqvarna YTH 2348. Real nice shape. So the main problem, he had the ignition out and everything. It was just the fuse. And like I said, it had a bad carb. It wasn't getting fuel because of the solenoid. I cleaned it. I just didn't use it because I had one. Bolted right on. Transmission issue was I had one ready to go in. That wasn't the problem. I knew to check the keyways, and this is the first tire I pulled off, and it was missing one. Because the tires are over there, they're crap. I put on some John Deere's. Probably just paint the rims black. But I put in keyways, and this one and that one had one. Ain't nothing wrong with transmission. I mean, the deck is mint. So that's gonna be a good score. And I got this one the day before I got that one. It had a deck on it. This is off a Craftsman. I'll show you in the back. But a Craftsman machine. One I had that, actually I got it last year. I scrapped it already, but it burned up. So the deck was the only thing good on the whole mower. I got this one, which had the bad deck. Good Kawasaki engine. What was this one? This is 156, so the other one's 152. Pretty much the same mower. Different style deck, which has worked out great for me. Yeah, that's a YT54. That's all good. I'm gonna do an oil change on it. This blown engine, Murray, too old, not worth my time. Sell for parts or scrap. I did a short on this. This is the free Kawasaki Bayou 300 4x4. Definitely needs a petcock. Probably some carb work. He said that's why I wouldn't start, but the rest of it looks pretty mint. He said he was using it, wouldn't start one winter for plowing, and he just parked it. Damn wheel, that's junk. I did a short on this. I fixed this all up. I had to put only 511 hours on it. I put new handles on it. 2 coils were shot, so I put 2 coils in it. Brand new deck belt. Brand new deck belt. That's ready to go. Kind of close, but bad boy. ZT Elite, 27 horsepower, 747 cc. This is the deck. This one was going. That one was going for that Husqvarna. I'll strip it down, scrap it. Nice push mower. If I get time. I stole the coils off this for the 0 turn, but I found some. This runs and moves. Oh, I stole the wiring for another Husqvarna I sold with the commercial deck. I'll probably fix this up. This one came in, blown engine, no deck. I got all of it. I got an engine, I got a deck. So I will probably put this back together. Put another engine on it. Grab another deck. These normally sell pretty good. Pretty good. Got quite the collection of snow blowers. I did a short on this one. This just has no compression, but the rod's not broken, so maybe it blew a head gate. I don't know. I had to look into a valve, maybe exhaust valve or something is stuck open, or intake. I don't know. I didn't get into it. That one runs and works. Don't know. That one runs but needs an auger belt. Don't know about that one or this one. This one runs, needs carburetor work. This one is real nice but needs an engine. No, if I'll get to those. I stole the carb off of this for that Husqvarna. Like I said, it ran, but I don't know if we can even see. Oh, there you go. Yeah, one of the rods decided to exit. Okay, I'm just doing a little update. I got a bunch of engines. This stupid, ugly. I hate these. But I have another one. Another snowblower. I think these are all from before. I don't know. I got that one last year. That one just need to fix the tires, and I had it ready for last year and it just sat here. So I might have to go through it, but it did run and mow and everything, so I just haven't got to it. I got this POS in. That's a China. It ran as far as I seen. I don't know what I want to do with that. That's been here a couple of years. Someday. This one came in. I don't know. I might just let it go as is. Kind of old. And we got these coolers. What is this? Another cooler. And see, these have that deck. This one didn't come with a deck. I'm probably moving a little too quick, I apologize. This one had a great engine. Yeah, this one had a great engine. Didn't have a deck. The frame is all ripped up. So I need the front end for this one because this one's tweaked a little bit. This one needs a carburetor clean, but I just cleaned the carburetor in this one, but it's junk. Well, it's not junk, but one of the valves is seized on cylinder 2, I think, or whatever, the right side, and so it runs good on one cylinder. So I could fix that, but this just needs a carb and it runs good. So I'm just going to take the carb off. I'll still clean this one and put it in the stockpile. I'll take the carb off, put it on this one, get this one running good. So other than that, this one, besides that and the front steering, this one's pretty much ready to go. Oh, I will probably take either, yeah, I'll take one of the lens. I got another lens out of another hood. We can fix that, fix the steering. This one's gonna get, this is, yeah, the other 26. This one's good. It needs 2 of these tires off of this one because these 2 go flat. So if they go flat, and I got these that are good, might as well just swap them. And I'm gonna swap the engine. Like I said, the front end's good. I'll take one of these lights and lenses and fix up that other one. So I'll get two. Two of these will be good to go. I mean, they already run. Okay. That's the... This is just parts. I ain't gonna mess with that. This one is a nice tractor. Just needs a carburetor, which I just got to install. I bought it over the winter. And that's it. I had the wrong plug, which I've never seen that before, but I had the wrong plug and it would not fire. I got it to fire and now it just keeps following the plug, so down to the carburetor. I tried cleaning it, so didn't happen. I don't know what this needs. I'll fix it though. This one's going down the road. Too old. Won't make much money off it if I even do fix it, so it runs and cuts and mows. It just needs some little stuff, but it's not worth all said and done. It's still around I'm only gonna get like 300 bucks for it. I can probably get two the way it sits. This one runs good. Yeah, it runs good. Of course, these hoods are always messed up. That's not a big deal. Cooler 22, but it has a, I'm hoping, I haven't got to it yet, but it looks like the massive oil leak is coming from around here, which is normal for those little oil things. And I'm hoping it's just hitting and spreading all over, and not from the head or, I mean, it's not a big deal, whatever, I'll fix it, whatever it is. But I'm hoping a lot of it's coming from there, because this is all like new oil. So, yeah, you can see. So, but it still runs good. It doesn't smoke. It's not blown up. I drove it here. So, we're gonna fix it. Clean it up. Make it nice. And that's pretty much so far what I've got. I've been slow. I had to clean them out. I scrapped a whole bunch. I had a bunch that just weren't. This is still that. This has been here probably a year now. Still haven't got to it. It has the liquid cool. It's not like the rarest of engines, but it's pretty rare. You don't see them on very many things, let alone you're riding lawnmower. So I've kept this one around just because someday I want to mess with it and see if I can get it going. Just for the cool factor of it is I don't really see them. It's the only one I've ever seen out of all the mowers I've had. And it wouldn't be hard to get this going again. I've just been lazy, working on stuff that I'm going to sell. So, eventually, I will get this beast of a mower going again. So that's pretty much it in my hoard of junk. As I clean it up, like I say, I keep on getting rid of a lot of stuff. But I got plenty to work on. Snow blowers. I hate snow blowers. I normally put those in a lot. Just get rid of them. But alright folks, until next time. Stony out.